Just see here, we receive the signal on mobile phone. Let's move on chart. We open a trade on Boom 300 index. Here you guys can see. Forget, no need to watch your PC screen always. Just need phone. Look here, one more trade is open. Let's move on. Put this signal in our VIP group. Let me open Telegram. Look here. Join our public group here. Let's move on VIP. Look here. Let me post the signal. Buy Boom 300 index. Signal has been posted. Now let's move on chart and watch the market, how market react. This is the power of system. No need to watch your screen always. Just focus on this notification. When you receive notification, just open a trade and wait for spike. Look here guys, front of you, live. I'm showing you live. This is the accuracy level. No one can show you the live. They will only post screens, but we post live videos. Look here, market is moving downward, waiting for spike, as we'll see the signal of spike. Just wait. Keep watching this. Waiting for spike, guys. If really you want to make money, must have this tool. This is an awesome spike killer system. Sniper. Look here guys. Yeah, we made it. We made it. Our trade is in profit. Let's take the screenshot. Alert our guys in VIP group to close this trade. Here we go guys. Posted in VIP. So this is the power guys. If you guys want to have this tool, check the description, chat with us.